This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos and French pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine and pronunciation videos. So we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous village in the Roussillon to the very south of France, on the Mediterranean coast, in the Departement of the Pyrenness, orientales, south of Perpignan. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this wine as well, because Collioure is an appellation that makes some delicious red and white wines, particularly famous for the red wines, the dry red wines made in Collioure. So how do you go about pronouncing this name with the typical French pronunciation? Collioure is also a beautiful village. A lot of tourists enjoy the beautiful port of Collioure. Collioure. So in French here, you do have to pronounce the double L here, Collioure. If you cannot pronounce the French R, it'd be fine to say Collioure, Collioure, Collioure. With the typical French pronunciation again, Collioure, Collioure, Collioure. If you want to learn more about the wines that are made in Roussillon, here is the video about Masters of Wine, telling us everything that you have to know about the Roussillon wines, including the wines from Collioure. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.